This customer thinks he has a bird's nest in his dryer vent. He's also missing his dryer exhaust vent cover. I can see light shining through in the attic. It's got to be fixed. This customer also had flammable vent pipe within his walls. My plan is to route a new dryer vent straight up through the cupboard. Let's get to work. I believe the homeowner pulled this out prior to my arrival. I did install a cap as well. It was just very hard to film. This airflow was well over 1,500 feet per minute. This was a pretty scary job, but it had to get done. Now this little guy needs to find a new home. For all things dryer vent, call MN Dryer Vent, 651-350-4201.